bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give.
Today is bittersweet because my office space is now turned into a nursery, and so I'm gonna take y'all along the way. So I already moved my desk out of here. I'm about to start with just painting this, and then I'm gonna show you guys a mirror of what I want to paint. So it's all starting to feel real. I'm gonna keep this. My theme for my nursery is still bohemian, so I'm gonna keep that theme, but I'm actually doing a wall mural on this. Super excited. And there's Marcus. You got anything to say?
When you been blessed.
Alright guys, so I'm in the room and I'm in the nursery. My baby's nursery. Oh my god, baby Roundtree. I'm in your nursery right now. Okay, so painted the walls yesterday and this is how it turned out. Okay. Y'all, no more brown spots here. No more brown. And then I took down my plant hangers. I took those down, and I am keeping this up here. Keeping these up. I'm keeping the bed in here. I'm keeping all of this up here. And then I am going to put like Pampers and things that I'm gonna need on this bar cart. And then this is gonna be like a book stand. And then I'm gonna get another book stand to go over here. We're gonna have another book stand to go right here. And then I'm thinking the dresser will go right here. A mirror right here. And then the mural. Yeah, it's gonna turn out so freaking awesome. I can't wait. I can't wait for you guys to see how it's gonna turn out. So freaking ready. I'm gonna freestyle this, y'all. Alright, so we just picked up,
What's up, guys?
the paint that we're gonna sample on the wall. And these are the colors that we picked out here
For the baby's room, y'all.
This is gonna be for the sun. I think the sun one is actually the perfect shade. The only one that I'm concerned about is this one. I feel like it's like a little pinkish.
That coral.
Yeah, it's like a coral.
It's called sockeye. You should show them the different
Yeah.
names of them so they know.
Yeah. So that's the sun color. And then this is the second color. And this is, no, this is the first color. Well, after the sun, that's the first color. And then this is the second color. And then, hold on, was that it? Oh yeah, and this one. Babe, you gotta go to Chipotle to go. Why you just in time there?
This is the final reveal of our baby's room.
We haven't finished it.
I mean, it's a part of it. It's a sequence. We're in the nesting phase, y'all. 7 months, 2 months out. So, my wife found something on, got inspired. And when she get inspired, y'all, it's a wrap. This is the finished product of our baby's son.
Okay, hold on, Marcus. Hold on. Wow, babe.
I'm excited. Who else you know 7 months pregnant painting their own wall, man? D Roundtree, bro.
So I have to do some touch up on the sun. Show them the sun, Marcus.
Every morning.
Marcus, you did a little bit of sun.
Yeah, I did.
Huh? Take the camera. Show them the touch ups I need to do.
We're gonna touch up the sun so every morning my child will be able to look up at the sun. My son looking at the sun. You see what I did? You know what I'm saying? Then we got the gray, just like the
We
mountains.
gotta touch that up too.
Touch that up a little bit. And we got this coral. This is a great color from Lowe's. Shout out to Lowe's.
Yeah. All of them are actually from
All this is from Lowe's, and she only needed to use a sample. So this is $5, $5, $5, and then $5. So you got a $20 wall, y'all. Look at that. So yeah, we're excited. Our baby's room.
Alright guys, I am back, and so the latest with the room, this is the finished wall here. I only just have to make a slight touch up to the wall and then it will be completely done. But here is my dilemma here. This is not giving me baby vibes. This is still giving me like boho style. I put these on Facebook Marketplace and y'all, they are not doing good. Normally when I put things on Facebook Market, it sells like within a week, but these have been up there and they have not sold, so I lowered the price to like $50. But I want to buy, I'm gonna insert a picture of what I want. I kind of want to bring the sun out in this room, so I think I want to keep the wooden bases here. See the wood? I like that because, you know, it still gives like boho vibes. And then also my lamp is boho vibes. That lamp, I mean my fixture, and then that lamp. So I want to keep it natural looking, but I want it to be like a sun, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is the canvas, and I am about to do the sun. You gone, babe? All right, I'm about to paint the sun on here, y'all. My battery about to go dead. and I am trying to finish this painting. So let's get into it. Welcome to MTV Cribs. No, I wanted to show you the DIY room. It switched to so you know that this was my office space. Now it's our nursery for baby Roundtree, and I wanted to show you guys around. So when you come into the room, you have like the changing tables, you have the dresser. I got this dresser from IKEA. I changed the doorknob, not the doorknobs, the knobs on here. They originally came with black, but I changed them to like the wood here, and I have some blankets here. I was going for the whole bohemian style, but I also wanted to be neutral because, again, we didn't know what baby Roundtree was gonna be, so we wanted this room to be like a gender neutral color, and so I stuck with that theme. I had this already. This is a day bed. It comes out with more storage here. I wanted to keep this in here because, you know, when people come over, guests come over, they'll have another room to stay in, and I just love it because you can like lounge in here, you know, chit chat. Me and Marcus come here and chit chat all the time. And then we have this wall here. I first seen this on Pinterest, and I wanted to recreate it. Well, first I wanted to buy the decals, but the decals were like $500. So I was like, no way I was gonna do that. So I purchased sample paints from Lowe's, and they were like $5, and I painted it. First I drew it onto the wall, and then I went over it and painted it with the middle color. You'll see in the other video where this was like a pink color. It was like a peachy color, but I wanted to change it because it was giving off girl vibes, and again, we didn't know what baby Roundtree was going to be, so we wanted it to be neutral, and this is the color that we both decided on. Marcus also helped me. You'll see in the video that he helped me paint some of this as well. And then if you come here, it's I don't know what is showing up on the camera, but it is an orange color, and I loved how it, you know, came together, all of the pieces together. The mountains reminds me of like the mountains that we had to go through to get to where we're at. So every time I look in here, you know, I kind of see the mountains, and then the sun is looking over the mountains. So I love it. It's really a deep inspiration for me whenever I come into this room. Right here you have Marcus. The only thing that he requested in the nursery was a rocking chair. We got this rocking chair from Wayfair. And then this don't even go together, y'all, but let me tell you how I be matching stuff up. This came from Ross, and this came from Wayfair. And this is how it turned out here. So Marcus comes, he grabs a book, read to the baby, and yeah. This right here, I have made this on my TikTok, on my Instagram. This is like a Dollar Tree DIY with the ropes here, and it was a plant stand, but I made it into like a book. You know, if we're here and we have some drinks here, we can move these books out of the way, put some drinks on there, and then we charge our phones. I changed the outlets because again, I was going with like bohemian style. So I changed the outlet to the woody ones. And then we have the crib, which is the wood. I wanted some greenery in here. So I got that. The crib we got from Target. The rug, Amazon. This was the last finished touch that I needed to go in Baby Roundtree's room. And everything else, like this, I've had more books, book stand, and a lamp that I thrifted in Seattle when we lived in Seattle. But yeah, that is, oh, and this is what I previously had in my office space, but I wanted to change it around. I do have to fix it a little bit, but it is the sun, and as you can see, it has different rays. As I was doing that, I messed up, but you know, it came back together because the sun, their rays are not the same. So the only thing I have to do is fix that part and then sign my name on it. But yeah, this is the finished nursery. I think that it turned out really good. These curtains, I've been had these curtains. They came from Home Goods. I think I have it all. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.